Hello guys, welcome once more to Just the Chat. A lot of traders have been having issue with setting their take profit and stop loss. Understanding how to place your take profit and stop loss will actually improve your trade. So on today's video, I'll be explaining how you can set your take profit and stop loss on a professional way. Okay. So without wasting much, let us get to why we are here. But before that, if you are new to this channel, I will advise you click on the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell for how we'll be uploading more useful content as we progress and as we grow. Okay. So, understanding take profit and stop loss region is one key to becoming a successful trader. I am a successful trader, so I am telling this to you. So, follow me closely on this video. Having whatever strategy you are using, be it trailer strategy, be it support and resistance, they may all fail. They may all fail. But the ability for you to set a proper stop loss and take profit will always make you profitable on a long run. Currently, now this picture you are currently seeing here, this current chart you are seeing. This is volatility, though. This is volatility. I gave the signal on my signal channel 48 hours ago. If you want to join the signal channel, it's very. I have a free signal channel. I will drop it on the description of this video. Just click on it and to take it to Telegram. It's on Telegram and you can join it. And I'll be. You also see my Instagram page on this channel on the description of this video, and you can also follow me. And then if you have any questions, whatever inquiry you are going to have, my number, my WhatsApp number will be on the description of this video as well. So without wasting much, let us get to why we are here. Are you seeing this current video, this current chat here? We took this trade 48 hours ago. I currently see. Are you seeing? Having a very low risk. Are you seeing this risk? This red portal here is describing or is indicating the stop loss region. Are you seeing the take profit? This is 10 to 5 times higher than my take profits, than my stop loss. Sorry. Are you seeing my take profit is far bigger than my stop loss? This is high reward ratio. So let's explain this. I'm going to be using two popular strategy to explain this. And first of all, I'm going to be using the support and resistance. Why trading? A support. What is a support? A support is a region where a price gets to and reverse back. Why a resistance is a region in the market where a price gets to and reverse back downwards. But for a support, it reverses back upward. So let us say you are trading a support and resistance strategy now. You want to set your stop loss and take profits. No, there are two type of entry when it comes to trading. There are two type of entry. We have the risk entry and the confirmation entry. The risk entry is a type of entry where you, for example, now you see this resistance zone here. You are like, okay, if price gets here, you just put an order here, a sell order that market will sell here. But why confirmation entry is you will wait yourself for price to get here. When price gets here, you automatically trigger it yourself after seeing some confirmation. So on this portal here, see this, are you seeing this? Price got to this portal here, price got to this down here and gave us a good buy pattern, a good what, a reversal pattern here. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? I'm referring to these two candles. I'm coming, let me bring out my pen. Just hold on, let me bring out my pen. I'm referring to that tweezer button there. I'm referring to these tweezers. I'm referring to these tweezers. Are you seeing this tweezer? I'm referring to this tweezer. This is a tweezer candle. This is a good reversal on a support zone. So seeing this, you can easily go into this trade and your stop loss will be little pips below here. Not even this one here, not even this one. Below this one you entered here because you're already using this one already as a zone for your entry. Let me bring out my let me bring out I'm coming, let me bring out a rectangular pattern now. Let's say you are using this okay, let's take this go upward. This pattern, this one now is indicating my take profit region. Remember, no strategy is 100% accurate, but you can always manage your risk. The market is risky. The market is risky on its own, but you can always what? You can always manage your risk. On this form, on this pattern, you can always be what? You always be successful. You always be what? On profitable on the long run. So let's just get to it. Let me explain this. Let's say you're using support and resistance. I'm explaining this with support and resistance. I think this is one of the most popular strategies you can find online. Okay, this is support and resistance. Now, using support. This red portal here is indicating my stop loss. Why here my take profit? Are you seeing what happened? From this portal here, you're already taking this trade because of this former level here, and see what happened. The market drastically moved up. It practically move up, but you don't have to wait for price to get here before you go out of your trade. If you see any new developments, any break of structure without price getting to this point, you can easily go out of your trade. You don't have to wait for price to come after seeing this movement to this point. You don't have to wait for price to come and hit you out again. That is error. That is a very big error in trading. Okay, always be smart. Be smart with your money. Be smart. Okay. So are you seeing what happened there? Are you seeing what happened? Price drastically went up and came to this point and hit us out in very massive profit. This is one. This one has been achieved already. Let us look for other examples. Let us look for other examples. For example, this one now. And note, always go with the trend, always follow the trend. Why trading? My students will always tell you, on my trade, I love following the trend. The trend is your friend. Always follow the trend. You will be more profitable in the long run following the trend than not following the trend. And note, when it comes to support and resistance strategy, for the most one of the most popular strategies, when it comes to support and resistance, price don't have to be on support exactly the support level or resistance level before it's reversed. It can be few pips above and it can be few pips below. So understanding how to actually manage this two things, understanding how to actually interpret this two of them will actually also keep you profitable. So I'm going to explain that. Are you seeing currently what's happening here? These points here already. Let's say see what happened. The market is selling down. Okay, this is a sell market. You don't need a profit to tell that this market is a selling market. You don't need a profit at all. Why do I say so? What is a selling market or what is a sell market? Let me explain that with my brush. Excuse me. Okay, this is my brush. What is the selling market? A selling market is something that has an impulse movement like this, then a correction, an impulse movement, a correction, an impulse movement, a correction, an impulse movement, then a correction, impulse, correction, impulse. They keep breaking the low without going above the high. That is a what? That is a clear example of what a sell market. Why a buy market is that we have something like impulse, a correction, impulse. They keep breaking above the high without going below each other. That is a sell trend for you. So this market here, you can clearly tell me that this market is what? This is a what? This is just tell me what is this? This is a sell trend. The market is on a sell trend. The market is on a sell trend. You don't need a prophet to tell you that this market is selling low. This is a sell trend. And secondly, you don't need price to get to a support level directly to a support level, to a resistance level, sorry, before it falls down. Sometimes it might not even get there. Sometimes it will go above before it will fall down. But that does not mean it's not a support or resistance level. That does not mean it has been broken. Okay? Or that does not mean that it's not respected. So understanding your candlestick will also give you an edge when it comes to support and resistance. Understanding your candlestick. You already seen that this market here is a selling market. Don't need the prophet to tell you. This market is a selling market. If I'm to be on this trade, I will wait to probably if a what is it called? Resistance has been created. I will wait for price to get to this point again before I sell. But see what happened. Price was unable to get here, and it gave me this what? It gave me this clear shooting star candle. Come in, let me take this thing out. It gave me a clear shooting star candle. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait. Are you seeing this? He gave me a clear shooting star candle. This one here, he gave me a clear shooting star candle. This one is a clear shooting star candle. You can enter from this trade and your stop loss will be below, above here. Your take profit here. See what happened? It hits it. You don't have to be accurate. See this one here again. See what happened? Price dragged above here. So remember what I told you about support and resistance? You don't have to be exactly that point. It might break above it or it might not even get there. So what happened? Price got to this point. It fell down. It's dragged to. I broke above this resistance level. See what happened. Are you seeing what happened? It gave this candle. Even if you're not taking it with this, you are like, this one is not sure for you. Wait for this Marabuzo candle. See Marabuzo candle. You take this trade and see the fall down. Are you seeing it? Following the trend alongside with what is it called? With with good stop loss level. Following the even when you're following the trend, you can still make losses. But when you know how to manage your risk, having low risk to high reward, you always be profitable. You always be profitable on a long run. Let us say now you are going against the trend. Seeing this, are you seeing this? Let's say this is there now already. This is a what is it called? This is a support level and this trend is a sell trend. Let's say you saw this bullish engulfing, you're like, oh, let me go into this buy. You enter this buy, see what happens there, and the price drastically came down and hit you out on your stop loss. But though stop loss price hitting you out on your stop loss doesn't mean you're not professional, doesn't mean you don't know what you are doing. But what does it simply mean? Simply means you're ready to take risk. Some people don't cut stop loss. I have seen most persons that are unprofitable, they will hold one trade for long. They will not have stop loss, they will hold the trade for long, they will be like it will come back. They are afraid of losing. They are afraid of losing. That is one way you can be unsuccessful. If you see my trade, I am profitable. If you see my daily trade, you will see losses. You will see losses. A lot of losses are there, a lot of profit. But on a long run, I am profitable. At the end of the month, at the end of the day, at the end of the week, I am on a high profit because I know how to manage my risk and my profit. For example, now this current trade, I am currently on this trade. Let me show you one trade now. What's this? Okay. Let me show you this current trade. This current trade now, this one that I'm currently in, and where is it? Where is it? Not this one. I'm gonna okay. First of all, let me explain the trendline strategy before I go to that one. Let me explain the trendline strategy. Trendline strategy is one of the most popular strategies. So we also use it to explain this take profit and stop loss. Okay, its trendline strategy is very simple. You need a two touch for a trendline strategy to be active. Let's say we are having these two touch already. Are you seeing these two touch? Excuse me, just hold on, hold on. Okay. We're having these two touch. All you need is the third touch. All you need is the third touch. All you need is third touch. Are you seeing this? One touch, two touch. You need this third one. Seeing what happened, the market wasn't able to get here. So you have to be very smart. The market already knows what you know. They know that these guys, they are looking at this point. They are waiting to buy at this point. See what happened. The market was unable to get here. If I'm to be here, seeing this candle already, I will go in. My stop loss will be below here. My stop loss will be below here. Let's just say price got to this point now and give you a reversal candlestick. Your stop loss will be below here. If it breaks below it, let it go. Your stop loss will be hit out. But if it goes for you, you're having a higher profit. Always learn to be patient and always learn to stick by your rules. It will keep you on the long run. It will make you profitable. Before I became profitable, I learned to obey my own rules. That is one way I became profitable. I learned to always obey my own rules, obey my trading plan. I don't trade outside my plan. No matter how the market is so sweet, if it's not in my trading plan, I don't take the trade. See this one now. So you take this trade from, let's say, with this candle, your stop loss is below, few pips below here, take profit here. See what happened. Market drastically came here and break it. Like, let's say we wait again for price to get here. See what happened. You enter with this point for a buy. You're expecting that this guy will go for a buy. Your stop loss is below here. See what happened. Market dragged down and hit you at a stop loss. Let it go. It is very, very minimal. It is very minimal. This trade here already has covered times three of this stop loss you just had here. So the trade is not, we're not trying to become perfect. No one is perfect. No one is the market, but you can always manage your risk. Are you seeing what happened? Let us draw it like this now. You see what happened? See what happened? Market even gave this buy from here, this buy with this candle, with this trend line here. See, it broke down. Let's say your stop loss was here, it hit it out, and then it reverses back to test this trend line, and then we had what? A massive fall again. With this shooting star already, you can take this trade. Your stop loss will be above here, and then see, boom. If it goes against you, let it be minimal. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. Okay. You don't have to be 100% perfect in this market. Okay. Just be smart and follow your rules. Be smart. Okay. So I wanted to explain something. This is it. For example, look, this is another example here. Explaining with support and resistance. Are you seeing this one here? This same level. We already know that this market is a sell market. This resistance was created at this point with this shooting star. Market came down. I will patiently wait for market to get here again for me to take a sell. If it refuses to get here, let it go. See what happened. Market drastically came here, give us a shooting star. I will take a trade with this one. My stop loss will be above here. If it want to go against me, it will hit me at a little loss. But if it want to go for me, are you seeing how massive the market has fell down? It's now massive the market fell down to this point. Are you seeing how massive the market has fell down to this point? I entered this trade using my strategy. There's something I saw here that made me do this trade, and this was my strategy. Is a very, very, very. It's not the best though. It's not the best. I will tell you that it is not the best, but it always gives you low risk stroke high reward. My students know that it will give you so minimal risk stroke high reward. This trade, I'm currently on this trade as well. I am still holding this trade. I entered all the way from here because I saw a breakout on the lower time frame. I think I entered the trade on 15 minutes. On the lower time frame, this breakout occurred and I saw a retest to this point. I entered the trade. My stop loss was here. I used to see my stop loss was just a few pips below this candle, this bearish candle. My stop loss was a few pips below here. And see what happened. Drastically, it went up, but yet it's unable to hit my take profit now. But see what it's currently doing. It is dancing. Now. What I will be, if price can go below here, I will go out of this trade. I don't need this price to come to hit me at stop loss again. No, now. That is not trading. You're not trading smartly. Try to always trade smartly. So if price had to go up now, it will hit me at a massive profit. But if it goes against me, let's say it tries to come here, I will go out. I will still be on good profit. But if I wait for it to come here, that my stop loss must be hit. No, it's very bad. Learn to always lock your profits when you are already on good profit. Learn to lock. I have taken some position on this trade already. I am still holding some few ones, but I'm still also going to manage the trade. You don't have to hit my take profit, but there's some condition I'm currently using. If price decides not to get here, I will go out. If I see any new development, okay? If I see any new development, any information, I will totally go out of this trade. So why trading? Your stop loss should always be what? Your stop loss should always be minimum. Your take profit should be what? Should be maximum. Example of that. What is this? Are you seeing this one? Price broke above here. Price broke above here. There is something before. There are things you should know about breakouts. Most breakouts are fake out. I will show you how you can identify or how to know a fake out, how to know a true breakout. Okay, this is a clear fake out. Don't need to tell me this fine that this is a fake out. This is a clear fake out. This one here is a fake out. This is a fake out here. This is a clear support and resistance. It just did as if it price went above and see what happened. It drastically fell down before we had this movement. So I hope this video has blessed you. I hope you have learned a lot for this video. So whatever question you have, My WhatsApp number is on the description of this video. And then um my Telegram channel where I give free signal. You can actually bag on them. You can actually look at my analysis and take trades according to your strategy. And you can actually take my free signals. They will help and develop you a lot. So for now, remain blessed. I will be uploading more useful content. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share with your friend. Remain blessed for now. Bye.